Hi everyone, this is Gentry. I'm going to be introducing you all to WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a website hosting platform and design tool that makes it easy for anyone to publish online. WordPress.com can be used to create blogs, portfolios, online stores, or any other website. WordPress.com is easily confused with WordPress.org. The main difference is that WordPress.com has themes and design tools to help you create a website, whereas WordPress.org requires you to install theme plugins like Jetpack to enable the functionality of your website. WordPress.com is very accessible for people with little knowledge of HTML or other coding languages. I am going to take you through the steps of creating a website on WordPress.com. First, we are going to choose what type of site we are creating. For the purposes of this presentation, I'm going to create a blog for my recent hikes in Utah. So I'm going to click Start with a Blog. Now I have to choose a theme. I'm going to choose the theme button. Now I have to give my site an address. WordPress.com helps give you options by first naming a keyword. I'm going to say Gentry Hikes. The free selection has WordPress.com as the domain at the end. I could choose to upgrade to WordPress.com Premium to have my website have a .com domain. I'm going to select the free domain. One of the features that is unique to WordPress.com is that users are able to transfer your WordPress.com domain to another registrar later if desired. If you wanted the features to come with a personal, premium, or business blog, those are shown below. Many of the features in the more expensive packages involve capabilities of further customization, such as installing plugins or uploading themes. For now, I'm going to click Start with Free. I am now going to create my account. It gives us a basic structure, but now I want to edit. Click on the Theme Customizer link to open up the editor. I am going to change the title and the tagline and the widget on the side. I will add my name as the title and say I love hiking in Utah. We are capable of adding a tag with HTML in this section. I'm going to add a link to utah.com/hiking. Now I'm going to add a picture by clicking on this icon. I will import my own pictures. Once I import them, I am capable of adding the title, caption, alt text, and description without using HTML. I will crop my image and select. Now the image appears on the home page. One of the constraints of the home page is that you cannot view the HTML on this customizer page. Now I will click Save and Publish and then exit out. I will now show you how to create a post which does allow for editing both visually and in HTML. I will click on the right icon at the top, which brings up this page. As you can see, you can select either the visual editor or the HTML editor. The visual editor allows you to type the content without knowing HTML. It gives options similar to those in a Microsoft Word document, which most people are familiar with. The HTML editor gives you different options to bold, italicize, add links, images, ordered and unordered lists. If I were to type I love hiking and bold hiking, I can switch over to the HTML editor to see that hiking is in the strong tags. Then I can click on the icon that looks like an eye to view my post. As you can see, we have created a website. WordPress.com hosts over 75 million websites. This being said, all businesses run on a website, and that website might be hosted by WordPress.com. No matter the field you end up working in, websites are an important aspect of business marketing and could be involved in your job. I recommend learning the basic features of WordPress.com for anyone. Technical writers, entrepreneurs, marketing managers, sales team members, teachers, business consultants, everyone who uses the internet. WordPress.com is simple to learn. Going into the workforce, it will be better to have a foundational knowledge of this massive hosting platform or similar than to having none. Thanks for watching.